Hello everyone, welcome to Infomercial. In this video, we are going to solve a quiz on oral communication. So let's begin. Number one, what is the first step in preparing for a presentation? When you are preparing or when you are having a mind to give a presentation before the audience, so what you need to do as a foremost step, creating the slides, searching the topic, or practicing the delivery? I believe the answer is searching the topic, because this is the foremost thing, that what are you going to present on which topic, right? Number two, when delivering a presentation, what is the recommended pace of a speech? Pace of a speech means the speed or the quality of your voice, like you are speaking to your audience. So what is the recommended speed or the quality of your voice while you are giving presentation? Speaking as quickly as possible, or speaking slowly or deliberately, speaking at the moderate pace? I believe the answer is third, moderate pace. Moderate means normal. So while you are giving presentation to your audience, your voice should be in a normal way, right? And when there is any emphasis point or any the highlighted kind of a point, then you can loud your voice so that your audience can have your attention. What is the purpose of a presentation? You have learned about the types of presentation in our earlier video, right? And we also discussed about the do's and don'ts of presentation in our earlier video. If you haven't watched that video, so I'll provide a link in the description box so you can watch that video from there. So there is a purpose of any presentation that you are presenting before the audience. Either it depends on types of presentation, because there are many types of presentation: the decision making, the persuasive presentation, or informative or instructive, or all these kind of types. So what is the general purpose of a presentation? Is to entertain the audience, or to educate the audience, or to convince the audience? I believe the answer is very normal. The second one, to educate the audience. You are presenting any topic, you're sharing your information to your audience. It means that you are educating them about certain topic. Which of the following is a type of presentation in which two members share the frame? Yeah, whenever there's a aspect of two members sharing the frame, sharing the stage, and giving same presentation, it means it's called a pair presentation. So right answer is pair, P-A-I-R, pair. It means two. A salesman convinces customer to buy a washing machine which he really doesn't need. So, but he seconds his stock, yani ki he agrees on his stock and he proceeds to purchase. So which type of presentation it is? Like, you don't want thing, but again, like, yet the salesman is convincing you, is giving you presentation on that product, and he's persuading you to buy that thing actually. So it's called a persuasive presentation, in which you are persuaded by a salesman or by a seller, and you eventually buy the thing which you even don't need sometimes, right? An informative presentation was delivered. Okay, the audience seemed uninterested or inattentive. Which of the following is the cause? Well, in this case, the presentation was delivered by so-and-so person, but the audience did not like that presentation. What can be the cause of the presentation failure? So like, many audiovisual aid were used, or presenter started by asking questions. Not so very much. Presenter didn't analyze the audience. Yes, whenever you lose any interest or attention of the audience, it means that you have not done the audience analysis, which is very, very important before you make or before you go to any place to deliver any presentation, because you need to know what kind of audience you are going to face. So according to them, according to their interest, and according to their level, you need to make a presentation. Which of the following steps can most likely be taken to manage stage fright? I talked about this in my video as an element of a presentation, that you need to rehearse, you need to practice again and again. As you know, that practice makes a man perfect, and a woman also. So that's called increase rehearsal time. Okay, you need to practice again and again before you are going to deliver your presentation, because that's something that you can manage your stage fright or your stage phobia. Which of the following colors of background and font, it means the writing, can be chosen to make an effective and vivid presentation? When you want to create a dynamic presentation, an effective and efficient presentation, which background color should be there, or should you use, or writing color, what should be the writing color also? So I believe the that's called dark blue font on a light background, that's the correct answer, because you need to make a contrast. If you are having a light background, it means white color background, then the text should be opposite to the white color. It means like black can be, or the dark blue, or the dark purple, or you can say the dark maroon, something dark. Okay, on a light there should be dark, and on the dark there should be light, so that your audience can easily see it. Which of the following don'ts should a presenter check while giving a presentation? Don't. It means that he should not do. That is the basic meaning of this of this quiz, that of this question, that what should he not do? Loud voice, reading slides, or start with a hook. Hook means a question, or you can say the riddle, basically, when you are starting the presentation. I believe that he should not read the slides. Yes, it is strictly prohibited in all the manners that a presenter should not read his slides, because this is something that will be done by the audience, and all you need to do as a presenter is to present the presentation. Which of the following is the most likely structure order in which a productive presentation can be designed? I believe the answer is, first you need to go with the introduction, and then body, and then conclusion. So second one is the right answer, because anything that you are making, for example, essay you are writing, or report you are writing, or you are making presentation, so there should be introduction at the first, and then the body of presentation, and then the conclusion, the ending, in which you just need to summarize your presentation. Which of the following is classified as a do that he should do of a presentation to avoid any pause or disruption? Right? So familiarize yourself with the venue and equipment that you are going to use, and use HD images, high definition images, or extract questions of the audience. I believe the answer is the first one, because images is something which is your choice. Sometimes in our presentation we don't need images, right? So this is not the compulsory do to avoid any pause or disruption. Pause means ruk jana, something, right? So you need to familiarize yourself with the venue. Venue means place. कहाँ पे आप presentation देने वाले हैं? The place where you are going to deliver your presentation, you should know about that place, right? And you should know where the audience are sitting. You should know how much loudly you need to speak. Either you need a mic or not, so that and what are the equipments that you are going to use for your presentation. मैंने अपनी वीडियो के अंदर बात की थी that whenever you want to change the slide, so you go all the way to the north side or the south side, and there you go in a very silent manner, and then you change the slide. No, that's not the right thing to do, because anywhere you pause, your audience go away, and you cannot get them back ever. Which of the following is an advantage of making presentation slides image-based? Whenever you are adding image in each slide, so what will be the benefit of it? Like it improves understanding, or it values your presentation, stars, or the slides look more fancy. So I believe the answer is it improves understanding. The one who cannot read the text, he will understand your presentation by just images, right? Which of the following is an effective way to engage the audience during an oral presentation? What you need to do what should your do or what should be your action while you are delivering your presentation, so that your audience will be in your hands and your audience attention will be up and up and up. So you need to read directly from the slides. No, 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 no. Using a monotone voice, no way. And asking questions to the audience. Yes, I believe the third one is correct, because whenever you are kept on asking questions again and again, so it means that your audience are not in a sleep mode, because you are asking them questions. So they might have this perspective in their mind that maybe he will ask question to us after some time. So whenever a teacher, why we are so attentive in our class, because our teacher can ask anything from anyone, anytime. So that means that attention is not diverted at all. Thank you. So this was all the quiz of oral presentation. I share you some of the more links of oral presentation quizzes. So go check them out in the description box of this video. Like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues and classmates especially, and subscribe to Infomercial. Thank you.